Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will begin chapter number 7 of class 8th, that is cubes and cube root. So before starting the chapter, what does the meaning of cube? Cube means a figure, a solid figure that have same length, same width and same height. Okay, so same height, same width and same length is considered as a. So how can we take the area of cube? We can take the area of cube in the form of a into a into a. Okay, one is for the length, one is for the width and one is for the height. In short, we are multiplying a 1, 2 and 3 times. It means we can write it in the form of a cube. So whenever we have the power as in the form of 3, it will call as a cube. So same thing we have to follow in the numbers. When a number is multiplied by itself 3 times, we obtain the cube of the number. Okay, same number multiplying by same 3 times. It means if we are taking here 2, so 2 into 2 into 2. How many times they are multiplying? They are multiplying 3 times. It means cube is in the power and 2 cube is 8. Same we can do for the 3. 3 will multiply 3 times. It will give us the power of 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Now, this is only for example, but you almost learn from 1 to 10 numbers cube. Here is the 10 numbers, 1 to 10 numbers cube. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729 and 10 cube is 1000. So this we have to use. Now cube, it means power of 3. It means when we are doing the pairing, the grouping of the number, it will give us the group of how many number? It will give us the group of 3 numbers. So this thing we have to remind it again and again in the solution of questions. So exercise 7.1, its first question is which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? First is 216. So for checking they are perfect cube or not, firstly we have to take their prime factors. So same as the previous, we will doing the prime factorization of the number. So firstly 2 1 is 2. Now 16 is coming together, so 0 will come. 2 8s are 16. Now again from 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 2s are 4, 1 on the here 4 and it will become 14. 2 7s are 14. Now from the table of 3, 3 9s are 27. Again 3 3s are 9 and this again 3 1 is 3. So prime factors of 216 are 1 2 3, 3 times 2 and 1 2 3, 3 times 3. Okay, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So as you can see, when we doing the pairing of 3 numbers, so 1 2 3, again here we have pair group of 3 numbers 1 2 3. It means 216 is perfect cube and their reason as all factors are in the group of 3. Okay, so this means 216 is the perfect cube. Now second question, 128 same as previous, we have to do, we will divide 8 by the table of 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. Now again 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1 is 2, that 3 minus 2 is 1, that will go near to 2 and it will become 12. Now 12 6 are 12. Now 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1 is 2. Now the factors of 128 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 times 2, that we have to write as the same, and again we will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now as you can see here, we have the first group of 3 2. This is the second pair of 3 2. In it we have one extra 2. Okay, it means this 2 is not having the pairs of remaining 2. It means 128 is not perfect cube. Its reason is same as factors are not in the group of 3. Okay, so it means we don't have all pairs in the group of 3. Now the third question is 1000. The 1000 prime factors are 1 2 3, 3 times 2 and 3 times 5. Here we have first pair of 3 numbers as a 2 and second pair again 3 of 5. So 1000 is a perfect cube. Why? Because all factors are in the group of 3. Fourth is 100. 100 factors are 2 into 2, it means only 2, and here 5 into 5. Here we don't have all factors are in the group of 3. That means 100 is not the perfect cube. Fifth, last of first, its prime factors are 1 2 3, 3 times 2, then 1 2 3, again 3 times 2, then 1 2 3, 3 times 3, then 1 2 3, 3 times 3. All numbers are in the group of 3. It means 46,656 are perfect cube, is a perfect cube because all factors are in the group of 3. Question number 2 is, find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. It means the given numbers like 243, 256, they are not perfect cube. We have to make it perfect cube after multiplication by smallest number. So we have to find only the smallest number that we have to multiply. Its first is 243. So firstly we have to find the prime factors of 243. It will firstly go with the table of 3. 3 8s are 24 and 3 1 is 3. Now here 3 2s are 6 and 2 will go near to 1. 3 7s are 21. Now 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1 is 3. So that the factors, prime factors of 243 is 1 2 3 4 5 times 3. 1 2 3, this is 4 and this is 5. Now let's do the grouping. This is the first group and this is the incomplete group. Okay, you can see this is the incomplete group. Why this is the incomplete group? Because it does not have only 1 time 3. It does not have only 1 time 3. So to make 243 perfect cube, multiply by which number? Multiply whatever the number is remaining that don't have, that number will multiply in the given question. So multiply by only 3 because 1 time 3 is not there. So we will multiply by 1 time 3. So this much our first answer. Now second is 256. Same as previous, we will do 256. From table of 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4 and 1 will go near to 6 and it will become 16, 2 8s are 16. Now 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Now 32 go 16 times, 16 goes 8 times, 8 will go 4 times, 2 will go 2 times and lastly 2 will go 1 time. So that the prime factors of 256 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 2. Now we will doing the pairings of 3 numbers. So this is the first pair, this is the second pair and this is the third pair will came but not coming. हो सकता था पर है नहीं. Why did not it here? Because one number is not there. So which number is not there? 2 is not there. So we will multiply 256 by 2. So to make 256 perfect cube, multiply by 2. Same as third, 72. 72 prime factors are 1, 2, 3, 3 times 2 and 1, 2, 2 times 3. So as you can see here we have the first pair and second pair is incomplete, okay, because of 1 3 is not there. So we will multiply 3 into 72. So here to make 72 perfect cube, multiply by 3. Fourth, 675. So prime factors of 675 are 5 into 5, 3 into 3 into 3. So here we have the pair of 3, the group of 3 numbers 3 times and here we have the incomplete pair of 5. Why this is incomplete? Because in this we don't have 1 time 5. So that to make 675 perfect cube, we will multiply by 5 because 5 is not there 1 time. So 1 time 5 will multiply in the 675. Last question of question number second is 100. So 100 prime factors are 2 into 2, 5 into 5. Here as you can see 2 is also incomplete and 5 is also incomplete. So here we have 1 time 2 is incomplete and here is also 1 time 5 is incomplete. So to make 100 as a perfect cube, we will multiply by 2 and 5 together. If 2 and 5 together, so it will become 10. Okay. Now we will start question number 3, that is find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. It means the given question is given a sub questions are not perfect cube. We have to make it perfect cube but after division. So let's see. First is 81. So we will find out the prime factors of 81. 81 firstly go with the table of 3 and it will divide 27 times. Now 27 is come into the table of 3 9 times. 9 will come in the table of 3 3 times and 3 will go 1 time. So that we can see 81 prime factors are 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 times 3. So now we will do the grouping of 3. So 1 2 3. This is the one pair. We can see here we have the extra term as a 3. Only 1 time 3. So we will remove these 3 by division. Okay. This extra 3 we will remove by the division. So to make 81 perfect cube, what we have to do in the question? That question is telling to divide. So we will divide by 3. Okay, so this much is the solution. We have to divide the 81 by 3. Now second is 128. So we will find out the prime factors of 128. It will go with the table of 264 times. Now 64 will go 32 times, 32 go 16 times, 16 will go 8 times, 8 will go 4 times, 4 will go 2 times, and 2 will go 1 time. So that we can see 128 prime factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 2. 7 times 2. Now we will do the grouping of 3. Okay, cube is there, that's why we have to do the grouping of 3. First pair, second pair, and this is our extra. Question is telling us that given numbers is not the perfect cube. You have to make it perfect cube by the dividing the smallest number. So this time the smallest number 2 will divide from 128. So to make 128 perfect cube, divide by which number? Divide by extra number, that is 2. Question number 3 is 135. Its prime factors are 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. In this we have the group of 3 numbers, that is 3. 5 is the extra, so that to make 135 perfect cube, we will divide it by 5. Now fourth question is 192. In this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 times 2 and 1 time 3. So we will do the grouping of 3. This is the first pair of 3 numbers, same 3 numbers. This is the second pair of same 3 number, and this 3 is extra. So we will remove this extra 3 by division. Now fifth question is 704. Its prime factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2 and 1 time 11. So when we are doing the pairing of grouping of 3 same numbers, so this is the first pair of same number, this is the second pair of same number, and this is our extra. So we will remove this extra term, that is 11, by dividing 11 from 704. Question number 4 is, Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticines of side 5 cm, 2 cm and 5 cm. So Parikshit makes what? A cuboid. So that given sides of cuboid is 5 cm, 2 cm and 5 cm. So when we are going to take the volume can also be considered as in the form of area. Okay, area or volume of cuboid. So we have to multiply length into breadth into height. So this will give us the volume of cuboid. The main question is, how many such cuboid will he need to form a cube? What he need to form? He need to form cube from cuboid. So that required number of cuboid, because from the cuboid he is making cube. So required number of cuboid to make cube. We know in the cube we have a into a into a. It means in the form of a cube. It means that whatever the thing is there, it must be in the form of 3 group. So here, as you can see, here we have 5 only 2 times. 1 time is less. So that 1 time less will come here. Now this 2 is only 1 time. how many time it is less? It is less 2 time. So that 2 time will come here. So we want as in the form of a cube. So this and this, 5 into 5, 5 a cube. 2 into 2 into 2 will give us a cube. So that 5 2s are 10 and 10 2s are 20. 20 cuboid will make cube. So here we completed exercise 7.1.